afternoon, guys. I trust all is well in your world. We're on our way to Djurgården, which is a special island here in Stockholm. So Djurgården in the past was where people would come to go hunting. They'd find deer and moose. Ferry across to Djurgården, which you can just see it through here. So that's Södermalm, and then that's Djurgården, where we're going. Alright, onto the ferry. This is exciting, I like boats. So we're outside, Alina.
Yes,
Yeah.
So basically just for the sake of the experience, it's way colder, but it's nicer to stand outside if we're going with the ferry.
Definitely. Touristy. Gotta do
Tourist
it.
in my own town.
Exactly. For those of you who are new here, my name is Piers Hampton and I'm exploring our world, living in abundance and having fun every single day.
The building you can see over there, you see the flag? Yeah. So the flag is actually...
It's kind of like chilly, but worth it. And the sun's kind of coming out. Come on, sun, you can do it. Come out for us. The sun will come out. It will. I hope so. So that theme park over there is, in English, Greenland or Gröna Lund. I said that right?
Yeah.
I'm getting better with my Swedish. Gröna Lund. Alright, let's go exploring. It is quite touristy where we are right now. You've got the theme park entrance basically just here. Came off the ferry down there. Not entirely sure what we're doing. We're just going to explore, I guess. Alina kind of knows what's going on. And I'm just going to follow for the journey. So I'm pretty sure autumn has come to Europe. And look at the beautiful leaves. When there's leaves like this, you just want to run and kick them and have fun and smile. It just adds a really nice theme to the area. Oh, check out that statue. It's so lovely. Like, this is what I mean. Check out this building. Look at the colors on that building. That's insane. Just had a bit of an Insta moment happening. We gotta capture content. Very nice. Alright. Keep exploring. I think there's two. Look at them sitting on the ground. Alright. So, as per usual, I'm fairly sure we're gonna go find a cafe first of all. Why not have a look? Look at this beautiful lake. And a really nice gate, fence thing. Going to this place. How cool is that? Go there, check them out, hang out for a bit, have a chat. I picked up Cassandra to explore today. We met her a couple of weeks ago in Berlin, if you remember on the vlog. And you've been in Norway, yeah?
Yeah, I've been in Norway for 2 weeks.
Awesome. I'm loving how you're dressed today, Cassandra.
Yeah, this is my kurta salwar with an Indian Nehru type jacket.
This jacket you had made by some Sikhs in Thailand.
Yeah, all the tailors in Thailand are Sikhs, and this fabric is handmade Guatemalan textiles by Mayans in the high mountains.
Very, very cool. We got a coffee, we're gonna chat, hang out, and yeah, go for a little explore afterwards. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Look at this beautiful environment. Alright, we're having some really great conversations and just taking a little bit of a stroll around this beautiful island. The sun has come out, we're in this beautiful harbour. Just gonna continue our stroll.
I feel like in Berlin we didn't really get to...
Alright, this bridge we're crossing now is crossing off Djurgården onto Östermalm, so it was a really beautiful tour of that island, and yeah, I would highly recommend going there and checking it out. What a time of day to be walking around Stockholm and exploring the sun. Is in that just perfect space. Life is so wonderful. city continues to impress me with its beauty. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. I had a lot of fun making today's vlog. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe if you aren't already. But for now, so much love. Peace.